everyone, and today I decided to play a board button. So there's an app called like Board Button, and you can play like loads of mini games, and when you're bored of it you can just click the board button and go to another random mini game. And this mini game is my favorite. So yeah. So it's basically there's raining boxes and the water is rising, and you have to jump on boxes so you don't drown. So you can jump on boxes like this, basically. Okay. Oh, what happened? I always get ads in the middle of the video. No! That was so close. I nearly fell down the edge. Okay, flood's over. Or is it, buddy? Or is it? Okay, I need to jump on the other side. And I'm stuck. I'm in the water. Okay. I'm back up. And I'm gonna try to get... Oh, that was close. Earthquake. Oh, I hate the earthquakes. Okay, I survived. I survived 76 boxes trying to kill me. But I'm smart. And boxes ain't gonna kill me today. Or maybe. Oh, no! Okay. Let's play my second favorite game now, which is Flight Simulator. This is not Flight Simulator, this is just an ad. No! Okay. Flight Simulator. The level that I'm on is like really hard. Level 9. You have to get like all the planes in the same thing. Okay. Oh, this ain't gonna end well. I knew it. I thought they're gonna get home and not kill each other, but I was wrong. Okay. Let's target him home and him home. And let's make him do an orbit and go home here. And let's... No! That was close, guys. And you go here. And you go here. Actually, let's make you do an orbit and then go there. Good. Good. Not good. Not good. Okay. No! I was about to move that plane. This level is too hard. And I need to land 35 planes. Like what? Okay. And now you are going on this side. Okay. And you are going this side. What happened? Okay. No, that's not fair. I didn't even see that plane. That is unfair. Okay, I'm bored. I clicked the button. I don't want ads. Ugh. Stupid ads. Okay, ancient blocks. What do I have to do? Okay, Egypt. I have no idea what we have to do in this game. What? Oh, you have to put them in the right place. I get it. No, that's not right. Let's do the big L first. Take the L. Yeah. Okay. Oh, so hard. Maybe the L is gonna be on top. And let me figure this out. Here. 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 Oh. It's hard, it's hard. Okay. Okay, I messed up. This is hard. But maybe the L can be here. And the small, oh no. Okay. Okay, okay, guys. This is just a random guess. Maybe like. Oh, it definitely can't be like that. Okay. Let's put the square in the corner. And this here. Man, this is like impossible. Well, it has to be possible, but it doesn't look possible. Wait. Or maybe like this, and then I could put. Oh, I could put an L down, but I can't. This game. Okay. I spent so long on this level, so before this video ends, I want to play one more game. I'll play Snake vs. Blocks. I forgot what this game is. It's definitely not Star Wars. Come on. What happened? I just clicked on something. I don't want this app. I mean game. Oh. Now my tablet is... Okay guys. I think we won't be playing another game. Now everyone, a slow clap for my tablet, please. Okay, enough of that. Sorry about that, and bye.